Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize your GoDaddy website footer section. The footer is a crucial part of your website as it typically contains important information like your contact details, social media links, and copyright information. So making sure it's properly customized can really enhance your site's professionalism and functionality. First, you'll need to head over to GoDaddy.com and type in your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing all aspects of your website and domain. From here, look to the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to where you can access and manage your website settings and content. Your website settings page will now open up in front of you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't been here before. On the right side part of your screen, locate the Edit Website button and click on it. This button is your gateway to making any changes to your site's design and content. Once you click it, your GoDaddy website editor will open, and this is where all the customization magic happens. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds to fully load, so just give it a moment to bring up all your website elements properly. Now, to customize the footer of your GoDaddy website, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of your website page. The footer is typically the last section you see when you scroll all the way down. Once you're there, simply click directly on the footer section itself. When you do this, a right side customization menu will appear, giving you access to all the footer editing options. This is where you have complete control over how your footer looks and what information it displays. From this customization menu, you can adjust a variety of elements. You can change the layout to better fit your design preferences, modify the background to match your brand colors, update your business name, add or edit your address, include your phone number, adjust the copyright information, link your social media accounts, and even customize your site navigation links. Each of these options helps you create a footer that truly represents your business and provides visitors with the information they need. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your GoDaddy website footer to match your exact needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.